Hello everyone, I'm Abdulastor Ekatani, and for today's video I'll be teaching you how to put thumbnail on your YouTube video by using your Android phone. So first you need to go to Play Store and then install YouTube Studio, and let's open the app. Oh, I need to open my data first. Okay, so you can see three horizontal lines on the upper left. Click that one and then click videos. Then choose the video that you will put thumbnail. I'll be choosing the first one. Then click the pen icon or the pen sign. Then click the pen icon or the pen sign again. Then you can see suggested thumbnails, but if you made your own thumbnail, then tap the change icon. Sometimes it will say you need to verify your account first, so go and verify. Then choose the thumbnail that you made for your video. This one, okay. And then after that, click select. And then you can see more settings for your video. And if it's all okay, everything's set, then you can click save. And that's it. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you like this video and you learned something from it. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much guys.